friends, I am your Chandramani and you are watching Nanda Nursing Live YouTube channel. So friends, आज मुझे केस आपण मानक पे जो फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम होबार अच्छे 4 जुलाई 2021 रे जो OSSC फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम होबार अच्छे से एग्जाम को आखिया करे रखिकी मु किछि मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन नेकी ऐसी क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर MCQ बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. सो वीडियो को लाइक कर दिंतु एवं जल्दी जल्दी शेयर कर दिंतु समस्त पाखे जमी पहुँची पार एवं जदि चैनल फर्स्ट टाइम देखुं कि नुआ नुआ देखुं ताहले चैनल टाको सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु. सो एमती पैरामेडिक्स अपडेट आपण मैंने नंदा नर्सिंग लाइव यूट्यूब चैनल माध्यम पाइबे चैनल अपलोड हो. सो फ्रेंड्स चलते स्टार्ट करवा आज क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन डिस्कशन. So first question, which route of drug administration is most likely to lead to the first pass effect? So को रूट रे ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन बहुत जल्दी इफेक्ट हुए. सो ऑप्शन देखिए राइट ऑप्शन इज बी. ओरल रूट इज फर्स्ट पास इफेक्ट ऑफ ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. Next question, pick out the parenteral route of medicinal agent administration. Option D is right, inhalation. Next question, what is the characteristic of the intramuscular route of drug administration? So option right option is B, that is oily solution can be injected. Then question 4, pharmacodynamic involves the study of following except absorption and distribution of drugs. Option B is right. Then question number 5, which effect may lead to toxic reaction when a drug is taken continuously or repeatedly? So option B is right, that is cumulative effect. So cumulative effect may lead to toxic reaction when a drug is taken continuously or repeatedly. Then question 6, a 3-year-old child has been admitted to emergency with suspicious of atropine overdose as there are option C is right, increased cardiac rate. So यदि 3-year-old child यदि इमरजेंसी एडमिट होती सस्पिशियस डाउट एट्रोपिन ओवरडोज होती ताहले तार कार्डियक हार्ट रेट इंक्रीज होगा बढ़िबो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, इंडिकेट द लोकल एनेस्थेटिक एजेंट व्हिच हैज ए शॉर्टर ड्यूरेशन ऑफ एक्शन. सो आंसर बी इज राइट, दैट इज प्रोकेन. Question number 9, which of the following gelatin concentration is used to determine the viscosity of gelatin used for the preparation of soft gelatin capsule? Option A is right, that is 62/3%. Question number 10, Department of Transport test, that is DOT, is performed for which of the following? Option A, aerosols. So aerosol is perform test for Department of Transport test. Question number 11, paracetamol belongs to which group of medicines? So answer A is right option, that is antipyretics. So paracetamol belongs to antipyretics group of medicines. Diclofenac belongs to which class of medication? So right option is C, that is NSAIDs, non-inflammatory steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Next question 30, question number 13, local anesthetics are, option A is right, weak bases. Which of the question number 14, which of the following local anesthetics is called a universal anesthetic? So option right option is C, that is lidocaine. Question number 15. Indicate the skeletal muscle relaxation which is a depolarizing agent. So right option is C, that is succinylcholine. Then question number 16. Indicate the long-acting neuromuscular blocking agent. So right option is C, that is tibocurarine. Question number 17. Epinephrine produces all of the following effects except option C is right, that is predominance of alpha effects at low concentration. Question number 18. Epinephrine is used in the treatment of all of the following disorder except option C, that is cardiac arrhythmia. Option C is right. Question number 19. Norepinephrine produces, option A is right, that is vasoconstriction. So norepinephrine produces vasoconstriction. Question number 20. Indicate the agent of choice in the emergency therapy of anaphylactic shock. So epinephrine is right answer, that is option D is right, epinephrine. So anaphylactic shock रे epinephrine दिया हुए एज ट्रीटमेंट for anaphylactic shock, epinephrine injection given. So question number 21. Which of the following drugs is useful in the treatment of pheochromocytoma? So right option is C, that is phentolamine. Question number 22. Antidote of acetaminophen. So right option is N-acetylcysteine. So acetaminophen antidote होगा N-acetylcysteine. So acetaminophen is paracetamol. So antidote of paracetamol is N-acetylcysteine. Then question number 23. Which of the following barbiturate is an ultra short acting drug? So option C is right, that is thiopental. Question number 24. Antidotes of heparin, that is protamine sulfate. So option D is right, antidotes of heparin is protamine sulfate. Question number 25. An adverse effect of oral iron therapy is constipation. So iron therapy adverse effect होची constipation. So right option is D. Question number 26. Take the drug used as an oral anticoagulant. So dicumarole is oral anticoagulant. So option C is right. So question number 27. This drug is used in treating supraventricular tachycardia. So digoxin is the treatment of supraventricular tachycardia. So supraventricular tachycardia रे digoxin मेडिसिन दिया हुआ है. So option A is right. So question number 28. Progesterone is secreted by corpus luteum. So right option is B. So progesterone is secreted by corpus luteum. Question number 29. Mifepristone, that is Ru486 is androgen. Option D is right. Select a fat soluble vitamin. So option B is right. Tocopherol is a fat soluble vitamin. Question number 31. Which of the following vitamins is given along with isoniazid in treatment of tuberculosis? So pyridoxine दिया हुए isoniazid सहित so treatment of tuberculosis ପାଇଁ. So option C is right. Question number 32. Which of the following vitamins is also known as an anti-sterility factor? So vitamin E is known as anti-sterility factor. So right option is A. So vitamin A is anti-steroidal vitamin. Question number 33. Mega doses of which vitamins are sometimes beneficial viral respiratory infection? So viral respiratory infection by vitamin C दिया हुए. So right option is A. Then question number 34. Which of the following drugs used in the treatment of gout has as its primary effect the reduction of uric acid synthesis? So question right option la A, that is allopurinol. Question number 35. All of the following drugs are antibiotic except cotrimazole. That is right option is C. So question number 36. Mechanism of streptomycin action is inhibition of protein synthesis. So right option is B. Question number 37. Rifampicin has the following unwanted effect. So rifampicin ର side effect କ'ଣ? Flu like syndrome or tubular necrosis. So right option is C. Question number 38. Streptomycin has the following unwanted effect. So streptomycin ର side effect ହେଲା ototoxicity or and nephrotoxicity. So right option is D. Question number 39. All of the following agents are the first line antimicrobacterial drugs except pyrazinamide. So right option is B. Question number 40. Acute migraine is treated with sumatriptan. So right option is C. Question number 41. Choose the appropriate use of the imiframine. So bedwetting in children रे imiframine मेडिसिन दिया हुए. So right option is C. 42. Question number 42. According to RH factor, which blood group is known as universal donor? So O negative blood group is universal donor. So right option is A. Which blood group is known as universal recipient? So AB positive is universal recipient. So right option is C. In the ECG, P wave indicates atrial depolarization. So right option is A. Which of the following is not a semi-solid dosage form? So option D is right, that is suspension. Jelly are generally water soluble bases. So right option is A. A suppository is generally intended for use in rectum, vagina, urethra, all of above. So option D is right. 48. Question number 48. Vaginal subdermal is also called as pessarage. So right option is A. Question number 49. Antidotes of insulin glucose. So answer is right option is B. Glucose is right answer of antidotes of insulin. Question number 50. Antidotes of heparin, warfarin. So antidotes of warfarin is vitamin K, and antidotes of heparin is protamine sulfate. So antidotes of magnesium sulfate, right option is D, that is calcium gluconate. So magnesium sulfate ro antidote है calcium gluconate. Soda ash. So question number 52. Soda ash also known as sodium carbonate. The right option is B. So question number 53. Tablets which are placed between cheek and teeth are. So right option is buccal. Right option A is right, that is buccal. Question number 54. Chewable tablet contains the following base. So right option is mannitol. Question number 55. Enteric coated tablet is integrated in intestine. So right option is C. Question number 56. The syrup which dash in nature. Syrup which aqueous in nature. So right option is A. Question number 57. Enemas are also called as clystric. So right option is D. Question number 58. Enemas are administered dash. So enema rectally दिया हुआ है. Question number 59. The superscription is represented by a symbol that is Rx. So right option is A. So question number 60. The abbreviation of Latin word Rx is UTEC. So right option is A. So question number 61. Nasal drops are isotonic solution. So right option is A. Question number 62. Nasal drops should have pH 5 to 6. So right option is A. Question number 63. Simple syrup is a saturated solution of sucrose. So right option is A. Question number 64. Full form of MDI. So full form of MDI is meter dose inhaler. Option A is right. Question number 65. What is USP? So USP full formula, the United States Pharmacopoeia. So right option is C. Question number 66. The first US Pharmacopoeia was established in 1820. So right option is A. Question number 67. Pharmacy Council of India, that is PCI, was established in the year. So question number 67 question right answer is option C is right, that is 1949. So Pharmacy Council of India was established in the year 1949. So question number 68. The Pharmacy Act came in force in the year 1948. So right option is B. Question number 69. Who is the father of medicine? So father of medicine is Hippocrates. So right option is B. Question number 70. The component present in solution in large quantity is known as solvent. So right option is A. So clinical base question. Question number 71. A 50-year-old patient is having propranolol due to his cardiac problems, but his physician now wants to stop this drug. Which of the following is the most important reason for this step? So partial AV heart block. So right option is B. So partial AV heart block जो physician propranolol टेबलेट को बंद करने ପାଇଁ एडवाइस करछन्ते. So question number 72. Again one more clinical based question. Which of the following drugs when used for prolonged period in the maintenance treatment of tonic-clonic seizures can lead to increased metabolism of warfarin like drugs? So right option is A, that is phenobarbital. Question number 73. Which of the following drugs given preoperatively is used to prevent post-operative pain caused by succinyl choline? This is also clinical based question. So right option is B. So tibocurarine is the right option. Question number 74. Again one more clinical based question. With prolonged used in seizure state, which of the following drugs can cause coarsening of facial features, hirsutism, gingival hyperplasia and osteomalacia? So right option is D, that is phenytoin. So question number 75, which of the following drugs is used in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis? So naproxen is used in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. So right option is A. Question number 76, morphine should be used with extreme caution in all of the following conditions but not in pulmonary edema. Question number 77, a 35-year-old patient complaining of severe pain along the right side of the jaw and face. The best choice for this neurologic pain is carbamazepine. So right option is C. Question number 78, epinephrine added to a solution of lidocaine for local anesthesia will increase the duration of local anesthesia. So lidocaine सहित epinephrine यूज करा है because of increase the duration of local anesthesia. So local anesthesia duration increase करने पे epinephrine को यूज करा हुए lidocaine सहित. So right option is C. So question number 79, which of the following is inhalation anesthetic agents is having fastest onset of action? So right option is C, that is nitrous oxide. Then question number 80, to attempt reduction of dislocated shoulder joint when ketamine is used alone, it will cause analgesia. And question number 81, which of the following is useful topically for genital herpes infection? That is acyclovir. So right option is A. 82, question number 82, a young girl of 20 years has taken a suicidal overdose of digoxin. The drug of choice in her treatment will be digoxin antibodies. So right option is C. Question number 83, a 30-year-old male suffering from cerebral edema will be best treated with mannitol. So right option is D. Question number 84, while prescribing a treatment to a young female patient suffering from peptic ulcer associated with H. pylori, so Helicobacter pylori, the gastroenterologist will neglect vancomycin. So right option is B. Question number 85, a 35-year-old lady who is an anti-cancer therapy is now suffering from severe nausea and vomiting. Which of the following drugs is having most effective antiemetic action in this case? So right option is A, that is dexamethasone or Dexona. So question number 86, neomycin is an aminoglycoside. So which option is right? Right option is C, that is used in hepatic coma. So neomycin used in hepatic coma. It is an aminoglycoside. Then next question 87, which of the following drugs produce respiratory depression and so reversed by flumazenil? So right option is D. So midazolam drug produces respiratory depression এবং respiratory depression recovery करने पे flumazenil यूज करा हुए. So reverse करने पे patient को. So midazolam देला परे it may produce respiratory depression, but respiratory depression को reverse करने पे flumazenil दिया हुए. Question number 88, select the drug used for pernicious anemia. So cyanocobalamin used for pernicious anemia. So right option is B. Question number 89, pernicious anemia is developed due to deficiency of vitamin B12. So right option is B. Question number 90, indicate the drug belonging to proton pump inhibitors. So right option is omeprazole. Omeprazole is proton pump inhibitors. So right option is C. Question number 91. Which of the following inhalants is a gas anesthetic? So nitrous oxide is a gas anesthetics. Right option is C. Question number 92. Indicate the anesthetic which is used intravenously. So propofol used as intravenously. So propofol for anesthesia used as intravenously. So right option is A. Question number 93. Which of the following general anesthetic belongs to inhalants? So right option is B. Desflurane. Desflurane is general anesthesia, belongs to inhalants. So general anesthesia GA हिसाब रे यूज करा हुए जोटा इनहाल करे की दिया हुए GA, that is desflurane. So right option is B. Question number 94. Which of the following non-opioid agents is an antidepressant with analgesic activity? So amitriptyline is non-opioid agents. So antidepressant with analgesic activity करे and amitriptyline. So right option is D. Question number 95. Select the anti-seizure drug with an analgesic component of effect, that is carbamazepine. So right option is A. So question number 96. Which of the following drugs is used in the treatment of Parkinsonian disorders? So right option is B. Selegiline. So selegiline is used in the treatment of Parkinsonian disorders. Question number 97. Indicate the drug that induces Parkinsonian syndromes. So chlorpromazine indicates the drug that induces Parkinsonian syndrome. So right option is A. Question number 98. Which of the following agents is preferred in the treatment of insomnia? So right answer is right option, that is hypnotic benzodiazepines. So hypnotic benzodiazepines preferred in the treatment of insomnia. So right option B. Question number 99. Phenytoin is used in the treatment of petit mal epilepsy, grand mal epilepsy, myoclonic seizures, all of the above. So right option is B, that is grand mal epilepsy. So phenytoin used for treatment of grand mal epilepsy. So last question today videos. So dose related adverse effect caused by phenytoin is gingival hyperplasia. So right option is C.